Hi everybody, myself Dr. Abhishek P. Rawal. I am working as a consultant and intervention cardiologist at Wokhad Hospital, Rajkot. So routinely our heart is an organ-like pump. It pumps the blood across the organs of the body. So when the pumping action of heart gets weaker, it fails to pump properly in the vessels and organs. So this is called as heart failure. Gradually, as the heart failure advances, the heart gets dilated, means expanded, and its pumping action weakens ongoingly. In addition, the looking to the burden of disease, it is approximately 1 to 2% of people in India are likely to suffer from heart failure. There are several subset of patients who are at risk of heart failure, like those who are having diabetes, those who are having hypertension are more at risk of heart failure. In addition, those patients who have suffered heart attack previously are also at risk of heart failure because of weakening of pumping action. In addition, there are patients with valvular heart disease, congenital heart disease, with birth defects in heart are also at risk of developing heart failure more in future. For heart failure, the patient needs to know how it should be managed and tackled. For that, there are several lifestyle changes as well as drug and device therapies. So, for lifestyle changes, the importance of patients, his or her understanding as well as understanding of his family members are of utmost importance. So, for lifestyle changes, he or she needs to curtail his fluid intake, salt intake, etc. Dietary modifications should be there, like optimization of protein intake, carbohydrate intake should be there. Whenever the patient feels breathless or having edema of feet, means swelling of legs, he or she need to consult a doctor to early remedies. In addition, there are several drug therapies are also there. So for that, if you or your loved ones are having diagnosed heart failure, then you should stick to your regular follow-up visits as well as medical management and drugs which are prescribed by doctors. In addition, if you develop worsening of symptoms like worsening of shortness of breath or edema of feet or having discomfort, abdominal discomfort, etc., then you need to consult your doctor early. There are several device therapies are also there which are available in our armamentarium, like cardiac resynchronization therapy, implantable cardioverter defibrillator, etc. So you may consult your doctor regarding that, and whenever these kind of therapies are advised, you may have the advantage of that. So my message to heart failure patients is that please do not worry, take advantage of newer science. So if you or your loved ones have diagnosed heart failure, then please stick to the advices given by doctor and also manage the lifestyle changes strictly, like fluid intake, salt intake, etc. In addition, if the symptoms get developed or symptoms worsen, then please consult your doctor and follow his or her advices strictly. For the making heart stronger, we should control our diabetes, heart hypertension, etc. in other ailments which are likely to weaken the heart. If there is some sort of chest pain or heart attack, then we should get it fixed earlier, which will stop the heart from weakening. In addition, there are several drugs like beta blockers, ACE inhibitors, ARNI, etc., which make the heart stronger as well as make the heart pump better. So whenever these kind of drugs are advised, we should take advantage of that. We should also curtail our fluid and salt intake if the heart failure is there. So these are the lifestyle as well as medicine measures to control the heart failure as well as make the pumping of heart stronger.